How to remove email from another phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can remove email from another phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove your email from another phone, first of all, it depends upon which email service you use, because Apple Mail, AOL Mail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, all of these basically have different ways to log out of other devices. But the most common and popular one is of course Gmail. So I'm going to be taking Gmail app as an example. So you can open up Gmail, tap on your Google profile from the top right, then go to manage your Google account. Once you go to manage your Google account, then simply go to this particular option that says security here. Once you go to security, simply scroll down over here, then you'll find the option called your devices, where you can go to manage all devices. Then once you go to manage all devices, you can select the devices and you can see them logged in. So you can select a certain device that maybe you do or don't recognize. Tap on the sign out button to sign out those devices. This way you can remove email from other devices, but remember, it just depends upon the email service you use. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.